meal planning and meal prepping seems like a far out idea, something that, you only do if you're the perfect mother or person, and it has to be perfect. And she kind of made it more real, like more, this is attainable for a normal family, and it doesn't have to have that perfect, like, typed up thing that prints out a list for you. It's nice. It makes it less scary.
Being a mom of 3 and busy and in school myself, it's always hard to get a meal on the table, and just learning the ways to prep and, write your list out. You might not have to stick to it day by day, and you can switch things around, but the prepping and the planning and always having a backup was very interesting takeaway. Just in case your meal doesn't work out, have that meal prepped in the freezer, like some extra taco meat or a bag of chicken broth to make chicken noodle soup. Just have it all ready for you right then and there to make your life a little bit easier.
I think for me it was the most beneficial thing was that she had us take that time to make a list of meals we normally make. Like, in making the list, I realized we actually do have a lot of meals that are perfectly usable and perfectly good meals. And so I think what I'm going to be taking away mostly is that list. And I'm going to pin it in my kitchen so that if I don't know what I'm doing, I can look at the list, or my husband can look at the list, and we can actually talk about what we want to do for the week.
Always having that backup when something doesn't go right, and realizing that, things like tacos are easy to have on hand and meat in the freezer, or definitely have, even if 4 out of the 5 people in your family are eating it, it doesn't always have to be a meal that everybody will eat.
I think a lot of the people in our group were saying that her chart that she has, it's really nice that there's a prep line, because a lot of times you had that roast in mind, but it's frozen, and you didn't take it out of the freezer, and now you can't do the roast for 2 more days without an Instant Pot or something. And our group thought it was really nice that you could say on Tuesday you needed to take out that chicken from the freezer to make the thing that you're going to on Thursday.